How the FUBAR court case so early, everyone goes WTF Volume 2. Even more legal lunacy to leave courtroom in shock and awe. Just when you thought courtroom chaos couldn't get any more deranged, we bring you Volume 2, the ultimate crash course in transforming any legal proceeding into a circus no one will forget. Whether you're a juror turning into a true crime blogger, a bailiff with a flair for karaoke, or a court reporter with a dramatic side hustle, we've got the blueprints to absolutely wreck a court case. Buckle up, justice is about to take a joyride off a cliff. For judges, maximum mayhem from the bench on Court Edition. 1. Leave your pets let your pets roam the courtroom. Declare your emotional support for a judicial assistant and let it sit on the bench. Bonus points if it wears a tiny robe and growls at during objections. 2. Use a magic 8-ball to rule on motions. Fraud the law books. Shake the 8-ball and declare outlook not so good. Motion denied. Just try not to giggle while doing it. 3. Schedule conflicts be damned. Double book your courtroom for a wedding and a criminal trial. Insist both proceed simultaneously. Who doesn't love a little murder trial with their marriage vows? 4. Open court with a theme song. Blast your personal walk-up music before entering. Preferably something from WWF Attitude Era. Stop on some sunglasses and the notes. Court is now in session, brother. For prosecutors, flame out like it's legal supernova. 1. Accidentally prosecute the wrong person. Just go after the completely wrong defendant. When someone points it out, say, well, they look suspicious. 2. Quote movies in your opening statement. Start your case with, you can't handle the truth, or it's not about what I know, it's about what I can prove. Jurors will be confused whether they're in court or Oscar reel. 3. Dramatically reveal evidence that doesn't exist. Approach the jury with a sealed folder. Whisper it just changes everything. Then flip it open to reveal blank pages. Stare at them meaningfully. Sit down without explanation. 4. Impersonate witness. When a key witness fails, throw on a wig, take the stand, and pretend to be them. Use a different access. Call it method prosecution. For defense attorneys, Train Wreck 2.0. 1. Use PowerPoint animations accessibly. Make your closing argument with slides that include exploding text, spinning gavel gifs, and soundtrack. If possible, end with a thank you slide featuring dabbing skeletons. 2. Call surprise witnesses from TikTok. Summon influencers who claim to have spiritual insight into your client's innocence. Demand court respect their vibes-based testimony. 3. Do cross-examination like a game show host. Use phrases like survey says, you're lying, and high-five your client after every answer. Bring your own buzzer. 4. Fall in love with the prosecution mid-trial. Declare your feelings dramatically in court. Bonus points if you start writing love notes on legal pads mid-cross, and forget to object to anything. For clients, next level self-sabotage. 1. Change your plea every day. Start Monday with not guilty. Change to guilty on Tuesday. By Friday, plead maybe, and ask if YOLO is a valid legal defense. 2. Hold a press conference on the courthouse steps. Say you're being targeted by shadow forces or ancient curses. Reveal nothing useful. Wear sunglasses and speak in the third person. 3. Bring a lucky charm as a weapon. Show up with a good luck machete. Insist is part of your religion. Act confused when the bailiffs react strongly. 4. Insist on representing yourself assuredly ego. Take on a full-flown alternate persona, complete with accent and costume. Refer to yourself as Sir Legal McJustice III. Refuse to answer to any other name. For everyone else involved, let the whole court FUBAR itself. Court reporters narrate proceedings in real time using dramatic flair. The prosecutor, with the fury of 1,000 suns, objected. Bailiffs use wrestling moves to escort people out. Announce your presence to a theme music. So only respond to Sergeant Slam. Jurors live tweet trial. Hold up scorecards for each lawyer's performance. Start your own podcast about the case while it's happening. Witnesses demand a witness stand with a rotating chair. Reveal information slowly, like a reality TV confession, and with every sentence with, or so I heard. Conclusion, the legal disaster to end all legal disasters. By following these next level blunders, You'll upgrade your original WTF Courtroom chaos into something so legendary it'll spawn its own documentary series on a streaming platform. Courtroom Calamities, the WTF files. It starts with your case. Congratulations, you just become infamous. Yes. So, whether you're a judge with a flair, a prosecutor with a thirst for theatrics, or a defendant who thinks they're in a soap opera, remember, justice may be blind, but everyone else is watching and saying, WTF? Hey there, fantasy and science fiction fans, lovers. If you can't get enough of mystical realms, futuristic worlds, and thrilling adventures, then you come to the right place. By subscribing to Fantasy and Science Fiction at Story Nori, you gain access to an amazing collection of stories that will transport you to realms beyond your imagination. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll never miss out on the latest tales of wizards, time travels, space exploration, and so much more. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the best in fantasy and science fiction storytelling, and we're always adding new and exciting content for you to enjoy. But that's not all. By subscribing, you'll be also becoming part of our incredible community of fellow fantasy and sci-fi enthusiasts. You'll be first to know about the latest content for the channel that you won't find anywhere else. So what are you waiting for? Join us on this epic journey into the unknown by subscribing to Fantasy and Science Fiction at Story Nori today. Your next thrilling adventure awaits. Right, hit that subscribe button and let the storytelling begin. Thank you for being part of our amazing community. We can't wait to share even more incredible stories with you.